A-house. Ayan, tapos dito tayo, lakad tayo. This is toilet ng A-house. This is the toilet of A-house. Ayan. Hindi na natin papasukin kasi hindi kami allowed. I mean, hindi siya toilet. Tapos dito ang daanan. Dapat dito ang daanan, tapos dito ang parking para konti lang yung lakad. Kaso they did not allow na daw to get inside. They did not allow to pass. Tapos meron silang tennis court. Ito ata is a caretaker house. They have jet ski too. This is the owner's house. Tapos, this is the entrance. Ayan. So this is the kitchen. This is the owner's house. So this is the kitchen. Hindi dito yung daanan doon. Sinasarado lang namin kasi may pucha. Ayan. Uy, ba't nakaboyad yung spaghetti? Tapos, they have microwaves, they have oven, toaster. Kompleto na sa, kung gusto niyo, ayun, no? Kompleto sa tables. Tapos, yan, meron din silang lutuan dito sa loob. Induction cooker. Tapos, they have gas stove here outside. Tapos, may freezer. Yan, may gas stove outside. Close natin. Tapos, ba't nila binuksan? Sabi ko i-close kasi may pusa. Makakainin. What is this?